Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to unlock your Mac using your Apple Watch. First, make sure both your Mac and Apple Watch are running compatible software versions. You'll also need to be signed into the same Apple ID on both devices. Crucially, two-factor authentication must be enabled for your Apple ID to use this convenient feature. This setup ensures a secure and seamless connection between your devices, allowing for quick access without typing your password every time. Let's get started with the settings. Now that your devices are ready, let's enable the feature. On your Mac, open System Settings, which you can find in your Dock or Applications folder. Scroll down and click on Touch ID and Password in the sidebar. Here, you'll see an option to unlock with Apple Watch. Simply check this box. You might be prompted to enter your Mac's password one last time to confirm this change. Once enabled, your Mac will recognize your watch and allow for automatic unlocking. Using this feature is incredibly simple. When your Mac is asleep, just make sure your Apple Watch is on your wrist, unlocked, and within a few feet of your computer. As you wake your Mac, it will automatically detect your watch and unlock without requiring you to type your password. This saves you valuable seconds throughout your day. It's a truly hands-free experience, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Enjoy the convenience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your Mac and Apple Watch often resolves them. Also, confirm that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for your Mac, as these are essential for the connection. Sometimes, just toggling the feature off and on again in system settings can help. This feature is designed for convenience, so don't hesitate to recheck your settings if it's not working as expected. And hey, for those looking to streamline their daily routine even further, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help simplify your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.